Page 15, the ballet. 4/8 time, that's different. 4 counts in a measure, but now we're counting eighth notes. So each of those eighth notes there get a count, which means the 16th notes there you see in the last 2 lines, they get half a count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay. 2 sharps, we're in the key of D major. All the F's and C's are sharped. It has a pickup beat in the right hand. So let's take it one hand at a time, make sure we got the notes in the fingering. I'm going to connect everything for now. So here to start. So we're coming in on beat 4. Remember, an eighth note gets a count. So it's 4, 1, 2, 3, and then cross over, second finger. And then measure, going from measure 4 to 5, you come up, second finger on the A. And reach up again, third finger on the C. You can do fourth finger at first and then do third finger if you want, but you need third finger on the C before you get to the E. Somewhere in there. I'll come back to these little notes later. Just right now it's at here. 2, then go on to the third line. 4 and. 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. You're in a 5-finger position, it's just going by. And then, like you had at the beginning, left hand. Starting out with second finger on that F sharp. Remember, all F's are sharp, so you're way up here. The thumb would be nice, but we like to keep the hands out here if we can, so we'll use second finger. 1, 2, 3, rest. Thumb here, you came down a little bit. Remember, the C's are sharp too. And now second finger on measure 5. Second finger on the. And then come down, little third finger on the C sharp down. Third line, treble clef. You're up here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. And this one. Doing all that, okay, big deal. Let's put the hands together. Here and here. And again, the hands are together, so just get the left hand out of the way, because the right hand's playing the black key, so we'll let it be on top. There, measure 4. You have a quarter note in the right hand and an eighth rest. So when you play the second A in the left hand, the right hand comes up. Right there. Make sure you play the rest. That is, be quiet. Go on to the third line. It's here. When you finish the second line, and you're going to repeat it, but for right now we're going on. So the end of the second line is 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's a pickup, so it's 4 and. I know that sounds weird, but that's what's written in the music. It's not my fault. I didn't know it. So forth. Once you can do that, then we can add the articulation and these little notes they've written in. It says non-legato. Again, just separate the notes. It's a long staccato is what it is. You have to separate the repeated notes, so just keep that separation in all the others. Except for the slur, so you connect that. For these little notes, they've written them out for you up above the staff, but I'd like to explain it to you so you understand what's going on in case they didn't write them out for you. How would you play it? Well, if you look at the little note, you'll see it's actually a 16th note, a little bitty one. And when they do that, you play it as a 16th note, and it's on the beat. And that's going to change that 8th note to a 16th note because you got to get it all in that time. So it's here's. And that means, so they've written them out, and that's actually what it is. But even if they hadn't written it out, that's how you'd play it. That's how you'd figure it out. play them as 16th notes. So forth. Let's go down to the third line. Again, you're going to separate the left hand, but you got slurs in the right, so you got to connect this. And then you just connect it here. And again, the little notes are 16th note. So forth. Then we can add the dynamics. F-P at the beginning, so the first time we play it, it's loud, and it's more for the right hand than the left. Keep the left hand down to about a moderately loud to a moderately soft in that area. We want to hear the right hand at the beginning. Then when you repeat it, then it's going to be soft. The right hand, the left hand has to be very soft. Connect these. I don't separate those. When you get fast notes like that, just play them. Connect them all together. And then the third line, you start out loud. That's the right hand. And then you echo that soft. And you're loud again. And you're ending it loud. Speed-wise, well, allegro non tanto, that's different. Allegro's fast. A non-tanto is not so much, not too fast. There's other ways of saying not too fast. It's fast, but not too fast. Don't get carried away. Well, how fast can you do these 16th notes accurately? Using the awkward fingers, and that's good. You need the exercise of that anyways, but how fast can you do those accurately? That's how fast you take it at the beginning. I like to play this with you very slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do dynamics. Now give us 3 counts, 3 eighth note counts, and let's play it together. We will do the repeats though. 1, ready, go. Repeat. Rest. Repeat.